Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good morning. The growth of information and communication technology give a positive impact to the world of education. Ministry of Education in Malaysia choose laptop, compact disc, several learning software, and other as a learning aids. On top of that, it's crucial for educator to use several learning and other tools or software to enhance the student interest toward a topic. The education technology somehow can influence the system and the approach of teaching and learning process. It will change the conventional system or the approach and accept the distance learning process, open class system and free school system. Teaching technology based on the internet can change the way of teaching strategies. For an example, the teaching curriculum in the teaching plan, the uses of computer in building knowledge from two-way teaching, solving problem as well as use of learning strategy. Teaching and learning process with the use of the internet are more student-centered and based on the knowledge of information. The teacher will handle the teaching and preparing as much experience as this seeking the information with the new technology for learning process. As told before, the teaching technology by the internet is quite interesting and help students raise their awareness to do some learning activity from the use of the internet. Some change and approach of the learning and teaching process will happen. One of it will be the change of focus from teacher-centered teaching process in student-centered teaching process. In between that, the student will focus on the learning activity will be on the exploration and finding based on the constructivism theory. In this year, personal computer with internet connection will change the method of traditional teaching, where the teacher need to give a specific order to the hands of approach and fully utilize the curiosity in the student. The personal computer will able them to explore information based on their capacity. Besides, internet will help overcome the weakness of science education taught in more traditional way and the involvement of teacher in the use of computer in a more productive way. The teacher will help to cope the technology skill and the chance of constructivism. Teaching to see the effectiveness of the technology. The role of the internet teaching and learning will lead to a new method and innovative and learning and assessment. However, the use of ICT alone will not have the transformation in a whole. In this condition, there are several ICT role in terms of raising its quality as well as the diversity of the outcome and the learning touch of use of the internet. The multimedia material as well as the teaching material. Interactive multimedia material was developed, the visual graphic material, text, music, video and animation, which help the student to understand more about a concept. The use of internet will also help prepare the material needs for the student and teacher explore more, as well as looking for new teaching material or research people. Thank you.